Hello friends, welcome on New Day New Dream YouTube channel. Today we are talking about dream meaning of alcohol. Alcohol may be seen in dreams not only by those who misuse it. If you want to know what particular alcoholic beverage means, you should watch this video. Here described dreams about vodka, moonshine, brandy and other type of alcohol. Candle. If you dream that you buy a bottle of alcohol and put it on a table, soon you will improve your financial well-being. However, because of this, you will have a lot of envy and ill wishes. Accusation of different type of alcoholic beverage in a dream indicates a purchase of expensive thing in real life. If someone of your family is suffering from alcoholic addiction and you dream of a table quarter with bottles of alcohol, it means that this member of your family will be a hard drinker. If, however, there are no problem with alcohol of any of your family members, then such a abundance of spirit in a dream indicates an important event after which you will have a lot of money and respect from people around. Dreams about alcohol are often seen by people who are alcoholics in real life. In case such dreams are seen on a regular basis, this is a signal that he or she is subconsciously ready to fight with addiction. It would be good if there are people who are able to support a dream in which you drink together with friends or family. Means that you must make a difficult choice between spiritual and material benefits. If for some reason you cannot drink while others drink around you, it means that you will make an important choice which will affect the rest of your life. If you dream that you drink alone, it means that soon you will be stuck between two fires. It will be necessary to solve an almost impossible task which you will be able to abandon. A dreamer wants the person to think through things, so when such a situation occurs, he will be able to make the right decision. Selling alcohol in a dream means that you will surprise yourself with unexpected action. If you treat someone with a strong drink, then the next month you will demonstration your initiative and organizational skill. If you drink an unknown alcoholic beverage, it means that you will experience a short-term pleasure. Drinking vodka in a dream is the upcoming big shame. Whiskey is usually seen by selfish people who used to care only about own interests. Cognac seen in a dream indicates that the dreamer does not care about own health. According to another interpretation, cognac may be indicative of expensive sexual activities. Drinking of moonshine indicates problem in family and at work. Selling moonshine means money. Producing moonshine means envious people. A dream in which you drink brandy means that you have a fight your own laziness and talk less. Otherwise, soon you will expect the deterioration in business spirit which you drink in a dream, promising new pleasant meeting and dating. Alcoholic beverage can be seen in a dream of a person who eats lot of sweets in order to prevent health problems. It is necessary to give up eating sweets and calming the body. So friends, that is all for today. If you like this information, then please like it and share with your friends and families. Thank you for watching.